Great game. Now, for those of you who don't have any great short-term memory, this is Joseph Courier, who won game one. And so he and Cassidy now each won $500 and the calculators. And now they'll go head-to-head to win another $500. And this is where you use the buzzers. And so, not quite yet because the question's not up there. And so this is the square off question. We're squaring off against one another. And so in this case, in the regular game, it doesn't matter who gets in first. In this case, it will be who gets in first. So the idea is to get the question right, just like in the regular game, except now you use the buzzers. Joseph, notice how Cassidy already has his hand on the buzzer. All right. Well, you don't have to. I just say, he's ready to go. All right, here we go. Consider the following three statements where P and Q are themselves statements. So here are the statements. One is P if and only if Q, two, P if and only if P or Q, and then three, P if and only if P and Q. So which of the following is true? One implies two, two implies one, two implies three implies one, or three implies two. Yes, Joseph?
D.
D, three implies one?
Incorrect.
That's not correct. All right, so Cassidy, you've got 60 seconds. Cassidy?
B. 2 implies 1.
Incorrect.
That's not correct. So open it up to both. So yes, go ahead, Joseph.
A. What implies two?
That is correct. We're both just right away, right? That was the only one that didn't have a true implies false. And if you made a truth table, you could think about it as well. You know, kind of think about how orders and ands work. All right, so Joseph, now you won another $500, which remember you're splitting with the judges. And now you have a chance at $2,000. So you all set, Joseph? All right, so okay, so it's worth $2,000. It's not two questions; it's $2,000 prize question. We call it that because it's worth $2,000. And Joseph says he's ready. Joseph, be good. All right, here we go. We'll let P and Q be distinct 4-digit prime numbers. What is the largest integer that divides P squared minus Q squared for all such P and Q? Is it A, 2, B, 4, C, 6, D, 12, or E, 24? Understand the question? All right, Joseph?
Yes.
Questions, all right. It's worth, as we said, it's worth $2,000, and you have, since it's Pi Day, we gave you 3 minutes and 14 seconds. So I hope that extra 14 seconds comes in handy. Again, maybe for suspense, or just to see what they think. How many people think it's A2 by clapping? Someone please clap. Very good. How many people think it's B4? How many people think it's C6? The Benzene fans. How many people think it's E12? And how many people think it's E24? What the heck? And Cassidy, you were clapping for E as well? Yeah. And Joseph, you were clapping for E, so that means you chose E, or
yes?
Okay. And so if it is E, then you win. Not necessarily the people who clap for E in the audience, but if it is E, then you win. And then if people for the other ones don't win if you don't get it right. But if it is E, you win another $2,000 for a total of $3,000 along with the graphing calculator. Who else should we ask to see what they think was? Oh, is it E? Yes, it is E!